Hey everybody, UPR Products here, and we've got a couple new products for your S550 Mustang, and these are pretty simple and really easy dress-up items. It's a door striker cover and a door pull bolt cover. So very simple to install. You can take a door striker, which is kind of just CAD plated from the factory, and it just dresses it up. It's a very simple, easy snap-on installation. Pops on nice and easy. Same for the door pull cover. Just snaps on and covers that bolt. So nice, easy way to dress up the S550 door pull and door striker. Gives it a nice finished look. Get yours at uprproducts.com or any UPR Products dealer.